We've spent a lot of time talking about getting paid by customers, but what about the money going out? Whether you are buying supplies, paying a freelance contractor, or just covering your monthly software subscriptions, you need to tell QuickBooks exactly who you are paying. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a new vendor profile so your expenses stay perfectly organized. Let's jump right in. QuickBooks updates their menus pretty often, so here is exactly how to find it right now. Look over at your left-hand menu and click on All Apps to open up your full system menu. From there, head into the Expenses and Bills section, and then click on Vendors. This brings up your master vendor list. To add somebody new, head up to the top right corner and click that green New Vendor button. A panel will slide out where you can enter all their details. You can drop in the company name, your main contact person, and their email address. Just like with customers, the most important box here is the vendor display name. This is exactly how they will show up on your internal expense lists and on any checks you print from QuickBooks. Once you pass the mailing address, you'll see a section for Bill Pay ACH Info. If you plan on paying this vendor directly through bank transfers, go ahead and expand this tab. Here, you can securely type in their bank account number and their 9-digit routing number. Make sure you double-check your typing here. QuickBooks even gives you a warning that payments sent to the wrong account are notoriously hard to recover. Right below that is the Additional Info tab. This part is crucial. If this vendor is an independent contractor, enter their business ID or social security number under the sales tax area, and immediately check the box to Track Payments for 1099. Trust me, doing this now saves you a massive headache during tax season. If you keep scrolling down this section, you can lock in their standard billing rate and payment terms. My absolute favorite time-saving feature is at the bottom, the default expense category. So let's say this vendor is your internet provider. Select your Utilities account here. Now, every single time you enter a bill from them, QuickBooks categorizes it automatically. Once everything looks solid, hit the green Save button at the bottom. Your new vendor is completely set up, automated, and ready for your business expenses. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.